Windows PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Restart your computer. Open Xbox app again. Try installing the game. Now 2. Check available storage space. Open Settings, System Storage. Ensure you have enough free space. Delete unnecessary files if needed. Retry the installation. 3. Sign out and back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Click your profile icon. Select Sign Out. Restart the store. Sign back in with your Microsoft account. Try the installation again. Now star 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS Reset, press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Retry downloading the game. 5. Repair the Xbox app. Open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, select Xbox, click Advanced Options, choose Repair. Restart the Xbox app. Now number 6. Repair gaming services. Open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Gaming Services, open Advanced Options, click Repair, restart your PC. Number 7. Install Windows Updates. Open Settings, Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, try the installation again. Number 8. Set the correct installation drive. Open Xbox app, go to Settings, General. Select your preferred install drive, ensure the drive is accessible and has enough space. Start the download again. Now Charge 9. Reset Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, select Xbox. Open Advanced Options, click Reset. Repeat the process for gaming services, restart your computer. Number Chart 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services. Uninstall the Xbox app. Remove gaming services. Restart your PC. Reinstall both from Microsoft Store. Sign in and install 007 First Light again.